Welcome to all first year students. Today we shall discuss some important functions, that is exponential functions, logarithm functions, what is odd and even functions, periodic functions, how we can add, subtract and divide two functions. Because function is an important chapter for us, fundamental chapter, that is the language of mathematics and fundamental of mathematics. First, we shall discuss exponential function. Exponential function. What is exponential function? Just you have to remember this and you read your book thoroughly, then you can learn more and your fundamental will be clear. What do you mean by exponential function and which type of function is called exponential function? A function of the type f of x equals to a to the power x, where a not equal to 1, a greater than 0, is called exponential function. Exponential function. This type of function are known as exponential functions. A cannot be 1 and a is a positive real number, then this type of function is known as exponential function. For example, 2 to the power x, 3 to the power s square, e to the power 2 to the power minus x, 3 to the power minus x, etc. These are known as exponential function. Also, f of x equals to e to the power x. It is also exponential function because we know that e is approximately 2.718. That is an irrational number. Means अपरिमेय संख्या is a particular value 2.718. In mathematics, e and pi are special number. We know that pi is approximately 3.141 and e is approximately 2.718. These two numbers are special number in mathematics, e and pi. E to the power x also known as exponential function. This type of function is called exponential function. Properties. Some fundamental properties you have to remember. First, a to the power x into a to the power y equals to a to the power x plus y. Everyone knows that when we multiply two exponential function, then the power will be add together. Number 2, a to the power x by a to the power y equals to a to the power x minus y. Number 3, if a to the power x equals to 1, then x equals to 0. We know that every value in exponent, if the exponent of exponent is 0, then its value equals to 1. Number 4, domain of exponential function is real number and range is positive real number. Means domain means the value of x for which a to the power x is meaningful or can be defined, that is known as domain, and the output, that is range. Always the value of the a to the power x is positive. Suppose we take 2 to the power minus 2, that will be 1 by 4. So it will be greater than 0, positive. Always the value of the exponential function will give a positive value. So its range is positive real number and domain is any real number. That is the basic properties of the exponential function. Number 5, e to the power 0 is 1, e to the power infinity is infinity, e to the power minus infinity equals to 0. You have to remember these things, very important, fundamental. In limit, also in derivative, in integration, it is a very important function, that is exponential function. And the graph of the exponential function is like that. That is the graph of y equals to a to the power x. Just you remember, this is the graph of the fundamental function, that is the graph of the exponential function, a to the power x or e to the power x. This is all about the exponential functions, and for more clarity you can go through your textbook, read yourself, then you learn more, which will be clarify your fundamentals. This is all about exponential functions. Next, we will discuss logarithmic functions. Logarithmic functions. Logarithmic functions. Logarithmic functions. Fundamental functions. A function f of x defined as f of x equals to log x base a. We read as log x base a. Log x base a, that is known as logarithmic function to the base a, is called logarithmic function to the base a, to the base a. This is known as logarithmic function to the base a, that is called log x base a. This type of function is called logarithmic functions. Similarly, a cannot be 1, a greater than 0. This type also we can write. There are two type of logarithmic functions. One is log x to the base e, that is known as natural logarithm. Another is log x base a, this is common logarithm. There are two types of logarithmic functions. One is natural logarithm, another is common logarithm. If it is base e, that is known as also Napier logarithm or natural logarithm. Another is common logarithm. This type of function is known as logarithmic functions. Fundamental properties, you have to just remember the properties and use in other chapter. It is very essential. You have to remember the properties of logarithmic functions. First, log xy base a. You have to read as log xy base a. Sometimes students are read as log a to the power xy. That is wrong. That is log xy base a. Log xy base a. That is equal to log x base a plus log y base a. It may be base e has same properties. Number 2, log x by y base a that equals to log x base a minus log y base a. Number 3, n log x base a equals to log x to the power n base a. Number 4, log x base x equals to 1. Basic properties you have to remember, just you have to remember. Number 5, log x base a equals to y implies x equals to a to the power y. Very important and also fundamentals. Number 6, log 1 equals to 0. Number 7, log e equals to 1. Number 8, log x base a is same as 1 by log a base x. You can interchange the base of the logarithm, then it will be reciprocal of that. Log x base a is same as 1 by log a base x. Basic properties of the logarithm. Number 9, e to the power log x equals to x. Number 10, e to the power minus log x is 1 by x. Number 11, log e to the power x equals to x. That is the basic properties of the logarithmic functions. The graph of the logarithmic function is x-axis, y-axis, origin. This is the graph of the function y is equal to log x base a. Just you remember the fundamental graph of the functions. That is exponential function, graph of exponential function, graph of logarithmic function, graph of modulus function, graph of greatest integer functions. These are the basic properties of the logarithmic functions. Its domain will be, domain is always positive real number, because we cannot define the negative value of the logarithm. We cannot find log of -1. So domain cannot be a negative real number. Domain must be a positive real number. Domain means for the value of x where fx is defined or meaningful. x रो जो value पाई उड़िया रे कहले x रो जो value पाई fx रो value बाहर करी हबो सेटा हला डोमेन, और जो value टा बाहरिबो सेटा हला रेंज. That is the domain range. Special class रे मारा क्लास रे फंक्शन लो डोमेन और रेंज डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एग्जांपल्स नै कि बुझेबी. ओरिड हबार नहीं, जस्ट मने रख एगुडा को, एगुडा तुमर अलगा पाठ रे बहुत दरकार आसीबो. That is the fundamental of mathematics. जे कोनसी चैप्टर रे ए सब प्रॉपर्टीज हमको दरकार आसीबो. लिमिट पढ़ो, कंटिन्यूटी पढ़ो, डेरिवेटिव पढ़ो, इंटीग्रेशन पढ़ो. इन एनी आर्टिकल you have to use these fundamentals. So just you have to remember. बुझिबा न बुझिबार प्रश्न नहीं, आगु मने रखियो पड़िबो तुमको. एंड रेंज माने जो वैल्यूटा बाहर है, आउटपुट जो वैल्यूटा बाहरिबो सेटा रेंज टा सबले रियल नंबर हो, एनी रियल नंबर. बट डोमेन इज ए पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर because we cannot define the negative value of a logarithm. Logarithm जहार बाहर कराबो सेटा गोटे पॉजिटिव वैल्यू रो बाहरिबो. So log of x is defined when x is positive real number. It cannot be negative. Negative of a logarithm cannot be defined. So its domain is a positive real number and range is a real number. This is all about the logarithmic functions. Very important functions. Physics, chemistry, प्रॉब्लम कला बेले तुमको लॉगरिथमिक टेबल शिखियो पड़िबो. लॉगरिथमिक टेबल मार्केट रे मिले बही दुकान ले कहिले लॉगरिथमिक टेबल गुटे देबे एवं से लॉगरिथमिक टेबल मध्ये तमरो फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री बही पछपटे भी अछि काइंग व्हेन वी simplify to get a result we have to use the logarithmic table सेहिति पई फिजिक्स बही केमिस्ट्री बही पछपटे देखिबो समस्त पिला माने लॉगरिथमिक टेबल देछि एवं से लॉगरिथमिक टेबल रो यूज समस्त जानिबा उचित। नेक्स्ट odd and even function odd and even function when we say this function is a even function or this function will be a odd function a function f of x is said to be odd function a function f of x is said to be odd function if f of minus x will be minus f of x if we take minus x in place of x after simplification we will get minus f x then it will said to be a odd function a function f of x is said to be even function a function f of x is said to be even function if f of minus x equals to f of x if f of minus x will be fx then it is even function if f of minus x is minus fx then it will be odd function if minus and plus are not come at a time or simultaneously then the function is said to be neither even nor odd. For example, suppose the function is f of x equals to e to the power x plus 1 by e to the power x minus 1. This is called an exponential function. We have to test whether it is an even function or odd function. How we can examine whether it is an even function or odd function? First you take minus x in place of x. Everywhere you take just minus x in place of x. तो माने x जगह रे तमे minus x नियो then एठी जिवो e to the power minus x plus 1 by e to the power x minus 1. Just you replace minus x in place of x. Then you have to simplify because we have to examine whether it is minus fx or plus fx. If it will be plus fx then it is called even. If it will minus fx then it is called odd. Just e to the power minus x is same as 1 by e to the power x plus 1 by 1 by e to the power x minus 1. Then after simplification we will get 1 plus e to the power x by 1 minus e to the power x. If we take common minus from the denominator means horo. If we take minus common from denominator it will be e to the power x plus 1 by e to the power x minus 1 which will be minus fx. So f of minus x will be minus fx. So this is a odd function. So this type of function is called odd function. If we will get it plus fx then it is called even function. Suppose f of x is s square. Then f of minus x will be minus x square. That is x square. So it is fx. It is even function. Then it is called even functions. Just you replace minus x in place of x and if you will get it plus fx then it is even and minus fx then it is odd. Let gx is defined as f of x plus f of minus x by 2. Then g of minus x will be f of minus x plus f of x, because here x is minus x and this minus of minus x will be x by 2, which is equal to gx. So g of minus x is gx, means it is even function. And define another function h of x, that is f of x minus f of minus x by 2. Then h of minus x will be f of minus x minus f of x by 2. If we take minus common, then it will be f of x minus f of minus x by 2, which will be minus hx. So it is odd function. This is even function and this is a odd function. H of x is odd and g of x is even. We know that f of x is f of x plus f of minus x by 2 plus f of x minus of minus fx by 2. Because if we take LCM, loss of jodi nei jiba eta 2 hobo, then in numerator fx f of minus x minus fx will be cancelled, then this will be 2 times f of x by 2, which will be fx. So this is even and this is odd. So every function is sum of even and odd function. That is the conclusion. Note re lekhi pariba, every function is sum of odd and even function. Sum of odd and even function. So every function is sum of odd and even function. Means we can express a function as the sum of even and odd functions. So this is the procedure how to examine whether the function is a even or odd function. Very important. ଯେତେବେଳେ ହାୟର ଷ୍ଟଡି କି ଯିବ ଏଟା ବହୁତ ଦରକାର ଆସିବ ଗୋଟେ ଫଙ୍କସନ ଟେ ଅଡ୍ କିମ୍ବା ଇଭିନ୍ ମାନେ ହାଉ वी कैन examine whether it is odd or even. This is homework. You have to test whether it is even or odd. F of x equals to log of 2 plus x by 2 minus x. You have to check whether it is a even or odd function. This is a homework for you. F of x equals to x to the power 5 into sin x. F of x equals to s square into cos x. Just you examine whether these functions are odd or even. This is all about even and odd functions. Today already we discussed exponential function, logarithm function and odd and even functions. Just हमको discussion करिया को रहिला algebra of functions, means how we can add two functions, subtract two function, multiply two function or divide two function. And another part is domain and range. Which one is important? Just टिके आज मैं hints दोउची domain और range विषय. Next time we will discuss thoroughly. Domain and range. Then our function chapter will be over. Then we will forward to trigonometry. Very important. In first year, main articles are relation, function, trigonometry and coordinate geometry. We have to clear idea in this chapter. Otherwise, we will face a lot of problem in second year. Domain and range. For example, suppose the function is 1 by x. We have to find the domain and range. Domain means आम समस्ते गाँव में बढ़ीचे धान मेसीन देखीचे धान जो पेशा जाए आम समस्ते धान नहीं कि जाऊँ से मेसीन रो गोटे डला थाए से डला रे धान भरू आरपटे कुंडा और चाउल बाहर तार अर्थ कहर अर्थ है मेसीन टा है फंक्शन जोड़ा पकेल धान सेटा है डोमेन जोड़ा बाहर चाउल और कुंडा सेटा है रेंज दैट इज द बेसिक आइडिया तमाने जोटा इनपुट दिगला सेटा है डोमेन जोटा आउटपुट बाहरला सेटा है रेंज धर आम धान पेशा मेसीन ले गहम नहीं कि ढाड़ी दवा सेठी आरपटे आउ चाउल बाहर तो सेठी आउ डोमेन टाक आम गहम कही पारिबानी जो भैल्यू पकेले तार आउटपुट अच्छी सेटा है डोमेन जो भैल्यू पकेले आउटपुट नहीं सेटा ता डोमेन ले रहिबो नहीं जस्ट मु जदि एडी जीरो पकाए एडी 1/0 भैल्यू बाहर करि होबो नहीं इफ यू पुट हियर 0 then 1/0 cannot be defined so 0 cannot be in the domain of the function but for other real number it can be defined so its domain will be all real number except 0 that is the basic idea about the domain आज जस्ट के हिंट्स दउची तमे बहिर एग्जांपल देखि दिबो नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल डिस्कस डिटेल so its domain will be all real number except 0 because for 0 1/x cannot be defined so 0 cannot be included in the domain of the function the input for which fx is meaningful is known as domain and the output are called the range of the function for value of x the output of the function is known as range and range will be all real number so its domain is real number except 0 and range is all real number it can be negative can be positive another example suppose fx is root over of x we know that negative root over cannot be defined मु जदि एडी नेगेटिव वैल्यू निए एडी नेगेटिव रो रूट ओवर काढी हबो नाही तन आर डोमेन भितरे नेगेटिव रियल नंबर रहिबनी केवल पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर रूट ओवर काढी हबो तन आर डोमेन टा को हबो पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर यूनियन 0 0 रो रूट ओवर अछि दैट इज डोमेन जस्ट के आईडिया दोची we will discuss more examples in next video or next classes just you have to remember what is domain that is the basic idea for what value of x fx can be defined then is known as the domain that set is called domain that is also called the maximal set and range is if we take here 4 then it will be root over 4 that means it may be positive or negative he pare so that is real number that is the basic idea about the domain and range the word domain and range is very important for the chapter function chapter just you go through more examples you follow the book R.D. Sharma then you will clarify in detail more examples are there you go through some other books textbooks K.C. Sinha also a very good books and if you go through more examples then idea will be clear thank you all in next video we shall discuss domain and range in detail and also the algebra of functions thank you again